Hello there, welcome to Mr.BOB page. I'm Shan. Now, we were going to talk about how to make our English sounds like a native. Nah, how about replace all of the very in our sentence? Contohnya, wow, there is a very big car in front of my house. There is a very big car in front of my house. How about replace very big with another vocabulary, like huge? Wow, there is a huge car in front of my house. There is a huge car in front of my house. Better, right? How about this one? You know, my girlfriend is very cute. You know, my girlfriend is very cute. How about we change very cute with another vocabulary? Wow, you know, my girlfriend is adorable. My girlfriend is adorable. That's it. More sounds like a native, right? And Mr.BOB super seru. See you.